Hello, my name is Jonathan, and this video is going to go over the benefits of a project-based learning, specifically one that's called Tiny House, created by Cheryl Bautista and Angela Marzelli. It is intended for students in the 3rd grade. It can be found at mypblworks.org. Project-based learning is different from a project in that it gives the students the opportunity to give their opinion in solving a problem in our society. That does not have a single answer. Given the opportunity to use the basic information they have from school and their family to create something new in a way that pushes away from more traditional homework and classwork that involves solving simple questions. Project-based learning gives the chance for students to use their knowledge to think outside of the box. This is basically using the information from Bloom's taxonomy that states learning starts with getting basic knowledge and then goes to understanding this knowledge in a way that they'll be able to explain it in their own words. Then being able to use it to solve simple problems, which is applying it. Eventually gaining the ability to analyze information, leading to the ability to evaluate the information to support their own idea and defend any idea they might come up with or critique someone else. And lastly, use the knowledge to create something new. This pushes the knowledge they gain from school to be able to use in a real world environment. The Tiny House Project is a great example of a project that students can get into. The main problem is having affordable housing for people, and this can be solved by using a tiny house. The main stages that are being used from Bloom's taxonomy is apply and create, having students use their knowledge in geometry and basic math to create a house that can be livable in a smaller way, making them use the basic shapes they learned to create this tiny house. It also allows them to bring information of how their own home is laid out. Other math skills they would practice is their multiplication and measuring the home with units of square feet and other different types of units. In the end, they'll be able to create a 2D drawing of their house or a 3D diorama of this tiny house. If so, they can present it to the class, the whole school, or to their community. This tiny house project pushes their basic knowledge of geometry to something that can be used in a more real world environment away from just reading a textbook. This shows a benefit of what a project-based learning could do for students. Goodbye.